going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another modification for you guys. I told you we're going to be beefing this SOT up, so here comes the next mod. It is the headers. I'm going to be dropping it off tonight. What's today? Today's Thursday, so Thursday night I'm going to be dropping it off at the place that's going to do it for me. We're going to pick it up tomorrow. I'll be at work all day tomorrow, so they're going to be working on it. I believe the install is about 7-8 hours or something like that. So it'll pretty much be the whole day I'm at work, and then I'll pick up the Jeep and I'll show you guys what it sounds like. So here we go. We got the big box. Hopefully you can see the name. What does it say? Can you see it? There you go. You see it. So you see the brand. Those are the headers that we're going to be getting put on. I'm going to have my trusty assistant. She's going to be doing a cold start, that way I can record it. And then she'll give us a couple of revs, that way we can see what the stock. Actually, I have a mid-muffler delete, so we're going to hear what that sounds like. So it's all stock before the headers come on tomorrow. So I mean, for just a mid-muffler delete, I mean, that sounds pretty good.
You serious?
Yeah, can't wait to get the headers done. So I'm gonna get that done and then I'll show you guys what it sounds like after. All right, guys, it's Sunday. I'm actually using a new camera. It's a Sony A6400. So hopefully everything looks better, it sounds better. I got a little Rode mic on it. So, you know, I'm upgrading the setup a little bit. Not gonna be using the GoPro as much for vlogging, but I'll be using this from now on. But here I am in Flushing Meadow Park. Look at that globe behind me. Sick, man. But as you can tell, it's been snowing like crazy here in New York. Definitely got a lot of snow. But yeah, I got the headers installed. It was Friday. It took all day Friday. I was at work. I picked it up Friday night. Unfortunately, I had plans, so I wasn't able to film anything or anything like that. Today's Sunday. Finally got out here. Gonna do some stuff with the headers. I'll do a cold start, see if you guys, I mean, it does sound louder. I mean, I really notice it like when I accelerate and when I like go wide open throttle. Gonna get the tune done soon, so definitely pick up some extra horsepower, let you guys know where it's at, and I'll do you know, just a couple of sound stuff for you guys, that way you guys can check it out. Cold start, maybe a couple of flybys, just how it sounds idle. Actually, I have it on right now, so let me show you what it sounds like. I don't know if you can really pick it up too much. Idle, it doesn't really sound too crazy. Once I get the exhaust done, it should sound a little better. But yeah, idle doesn't really make a difference too much in sound. When you actually like go wide open throttle though, you definitely hear it go off. So here's under the hood. I don't know if you could see it down there, but I got the long tube stainless works headers. I also got the high flow cats installed. Now I'm just waiting for the exhaust to show up. Once that shows up, I'll have the whole thing tied up and it'll be looking good. It's hard to kind of see it, but yeah, they're in there and they look pretty good.
Look at those hips. You make me smile.
So the headers do sound good, as you can see in the videos. I like the way it sounds. Acceleration definitely picked up a little more. I mean, I'm not really gonna feel anything too much until I get the tune done, which is coming soon. I'm also waiting for the exhaust. It's coming February. It's a little delayed, I guess, because of COVID and stuff like that. The tips are also gonna get powder coated black. That way it kind of matches the whole blacked out look of the Jeep. But yeah, overall, I'm very satisfied with the long tube headers. So if you're definitely thinking about it, I would definitely go that route. And I got a couple other things coming up. I'm not gonna tell you right now, but I do have some performance stuff coming up, some cosmetic stuff coming in. It's gonna be exciting. But yeah, I mean, it's cool, man. I can't wait to keep modding this thing and keep seeing where it's gonna go. Followers have keep going up, man. Since the last video, We had like around 50 or something like that. Now we're a little over 70. So I do want to say thank you. I appreciate you guys. I want to do something cool. It is snowing. I kind of want to do donuts somewhere, but I don't know. Everywhere I go, especially in New York City, like everything's pretty much cleaned up already. So it's hard to find the right spot where I could do donuts and there'll be no one around. I keep looking and looking, going to like different parking lots and stuff like that. I just can't find a spot. But if I do, I'm definitely gonna do some donuts, show you guys. It'll be cool. But stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. All right, peace.